Hello my little kitties. Today we're driving from Pemberton to Albany. Pemberton is where the tall trees were, where I left you last week. We go through the tall trees for a little bit and then we hit the beach sides of Albany. Before we get to Albany we try and go see Elephant Rocks, but they're in a national park so that doesn't work. So let's hope you enjoyed this week's videos, which is basically lots of beaches and a little bit of Albany. So we've come to the beach, which is full. There's all those rocks, apparently there's all rocks at the beach. There's two problems, the car park's full and it says no dogs even in the cars. So I don't think we're staying, but Mr. Demanding over here insisted on getting out the van, so we stopped in Denmark and going for a walk. Sorry. I'm hoping Mr. Demanding needs to go to the toilet. He's been a bit of a nuisance today. Here we go, this is our nighttime cooking. So yes, we have a very good bench over there that good to cook with. You could put some lights on so you can see. But we have this fry pan here. Up! Get out of my dinner. Get out of my dinner, you. I'm watching you. But we have this power bank under here. And yes, I could get it out and do something more constructive with it. But why would you do that when you can cook like this? Oh, I can't put you down there, you'll fall. Let's try and find you a spot to sit in. Watch me cooking with you. No, you can't crouch. Alright, so this is what we do. Yeah, watching you like a hawk, my friend. Crank that up a bit. That's how we do it. My wonderful dish pan over there, so we put it all in the dishes. And it's all cookered. And this thing, he's still got 67%, and tomorrow night we're plugging into power. Do you think Mr. Opportunist over here, so close to the dinner, thinks he's got a chance, or do you think he wants to go outside? I think you're not quite sure what you want, but you can go back to bed. So we're at this beach called Freachman's Bay. Apparently we used to have an old whaling station here, but I have seen some white sand in my day. Whoops. This sand is so white, look at that. Dogs are allowed on the beach. It's the bugger lugs who's annoyed. Look at that beautiful white sand. Imagine living in one of those houses. So Grumpy Gut's over here has been complaining in the car. Go on, off you go. I think he wanted to run. Look at that. Yeah, too much. I don't know about it. Apparently it's what the boat that first convicts came on, or people. And it's not very big. It's the only thing I can say about it. It doesn't look very big. Let's see what they've got to say about it. Let's go up the gangplank. Smoke. How much trouble can I be in? Okay, watch your way and I'll come back. Oh gosh, that's steep. But there's another deck under here. Can't believe it. Cool. So, the bloke was telling me, while I just sit over here in the chair, the bloke was telling me that this thing was built in Canada and it sailed across, and then they sort of sent it, sailed it to Tasmania, the government bought it, sailed it to Sydney, and then picked up 23 convicts and brought it to Albany, where they picked certain people that could do good stuff. Ouch! Headrooms, oh my goodness, the people slept in here. Oh, blimey. Alright, we'll go down the other ladder to see what happens. So now we're really in the belly of it. Wow, who'd have thought it was 2 stories under here? But of course, nowadays, there's sort of been water directly under here. There you go. Told you there were some good rocks around here. Look at that. They call that Dog Rock. It's pretty cool, isn't it? Well, they tell me that Esperance, which we're going to, has some of the best beaches in the world. And it must have been, I thought we weren't going there because the winds were over there, we just need to run. There you go, you can see he's hiding. Oh, there he is. But check out that beach. Bit of seaweed immediately. Look at that. If you went in there, there's no seaweed right there. Far as the eye can see. Look at that. And what I really like, look over there, those beautiful colourful rocks as well. Absolutely amazing. You just park your van in the bush, can't stay the night. It's only a tiny car park, but oh my gosh, we were just around the other side of those rocks before. Look at that beach though. Absolutely breathtaking. and we've still got 3 more to do. This is Emu Beach. Look at that. It's so they've got a swimming thing that they're teaching the kids how to swim today. Alright, we've still got 2 to go. And look at the size of those rocks. Look at those rocks just hanging in their yards. Can you imagine that? Well, good evening. Look what we have over here. So this caravan park I'm parked at, all those kangaroos, it's over here. So there's the chalets. It does go back that way a bit. And there's our little van over there. So we're right on the edge. So this is what we look at. Look at that hole over there. For those that are into golf, this is the golf course. And now dark time has come, all the kangas are out there. So what a great peaceful place, and I've even had to put a cardigan on. And the river down there, which you probably can't see, you can do fishing at. It's a great little spot, but we're off tomorrow. Somewhere more exciting. Look at some more beaches on the way to somewhere. And then we're really on the way, because today is the kind of point of no return. Today we can go home easily. If something goes wrong after today, it doesn't, not that hard. But today's about a 4-hour drive to go home. So after tomorrow, it's a 5-hour drive tomorrow, it'll be a bit too far to be bothered to go home. So I will see you all at what, tomorrow at the beach? Sounds fabulous, doesn't it? Where are we going tomorrow? Bremer Bay. We'll see you there.